Hey, don't push the buttons. No.
Hello. Oh, no.
It's Emma, dile. Emma is playing with Abuela. Talking to Tata, dile. She wanted to talk to you. See, Emma's a good girl. She ate. She ate her oatmeal, her uh-oh, what happened? ¿Qué hiciste? Uh-oh. What's with the uh-oh? Say hello, Tata. I love you. You need to give him kisses? Ay, qué linda. Otro. ¡Mua! Así, Emma, así. ¡Mua! Ay, qué linda. Uf. Ya le colgaste al Tata, ¿no? Oh, Emma. Emma. Give me that. You say bye-bye to Tata, you say bye-bye. That's Boots, Mama. And Dora. Yeah, that's Emma on my phone. I got Emma on my phone. You hung up on Tata. Told you not to push your buttons.
Hello.
You were a bad girl, you push buttons. Now you don't have Tata on the phone. Who's that? Tata?
Hello.
Hello? Hello, Tata, dile. Hello, Tata. Say hello to Tata.
Emma.
Yeah, that's Emma. Emma, qué linda. Oops, don't break it. Hey, don't break my phone. Pues abuela le da papá o la nena. She touched my phone. Where's Dora, Emma? Where's the map? 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 Can you sing, Emma? Where's the map? Hey, you gonna dance? You gonna sit down and watch the magazine? Eat?
No.
That's mine. Yeah. Yay! Yes. Yay! Yes. Who's that? It's a boy over there, Emma. Say bye-bye, Tata. Here, give me call Tata. I'll call Tata. You don't want me to call Tata for you? Let it do it. Where you putting it on your feet? You put it in your ear. Where's your ear? Aquí, el teléfono. Right there. Yeah, in your ear. That's Emma's. Abela's. Abby. Yay. Got a runny nose, baby? Good girl.